Greetings, beautiful people of the Igbo community. This is Obi Nnukwu Chineke, and today is Sunday, September 29th, 2024, known as AFO, a special market day in Igbo land, a day of upgradation. Today, I want to talk to you about something truly remarkable: water. Water is the ultimate healer. It's not just a physical entity, it holds a significant spiritual role in our lives. With water, nothing can hide. It flows through every part of our bodies, exposing and cleansing what doesn't belong. Imagine the clarity and purity that water brings. It's like a messenger, carrying information from within us, both physical and spiritual, to the wind. It exposes what's not suitable for our well-being. That's why we must always honor water. Give thanks to Chukwu Okike Abiama, the creator of water, the owner of all humans and languages. Water's active work in our lives is something we should be eternally grateful for. Think about this. Every time you drink a glass of water, you're not just quenching your thirst. You're participating in a sacred act of gratitude and connection. You're acknowledging the vital role water plays in your existence. Water isn't just a necessity, it's a blessing. It's a universal gift from the Creator, Chukwu Okike Abiama. Without water, our bodies, minds and spirits would be lost. So, be grateful to be attached to water. Celebrate it, honor it, and give thanks for it every single day. Let's appreciate the blessings of water and the life it brings. Remember, today is AFO, mark it, a day for upgradation. As you go about your day, take a moment to reflect on the significance of water in your life. Feel blessed and empowered, knowing that water is working within you, healing and revealing. We are blessed. This is Obi Nnukwu Chineke, sending you the blessings of the universe. Onye Ndu, Ikuku Achinike, the messenger of the truth afterlife. Stay connected, stay grateful, and honor water, the ultimate healer. Thank you for listening.